So what if market comes below 16,558? How can you escape? Is there any way to escape the unlimited loss? Yes, we have a way to escape the unlimited loss. We have to take few bearish bets. So I'll just tell you some bearish bets. Let's say you are thinking that market may fall further down if market breaks 16,800. Let's say market is at XYZ. Now market is at 17,374, 17,350. What I'll do, I'll just buy 17,300, 350 put option, buy. I'll just give you 2 to 3 case studies how to handle this situation, how to make money even if market is bearish, and sell 17,150, 17,150 P. So by doing so, your risk is 4,000, reward is 6,000. This is one case study. Just note it down. How to handle this bearish market. Very important point. How to handle bearish market for next 3 months. So maybe we can see the toughest times in stock market maybe in 2022 only. That's what I feel. 2022 will be the toughest time for a stock market traders, even for investors. So it's a good news, because if market falls, they are the people who are going to dump some money. But the growth will be not as fast as we saw in 2020 and 2021. See, 2021 was a great year where equity saw some biggest growth. That kind of a growth will not come in 2022. That's what I feel. You cannot expect stock will move 20%, 30% in 2022. That's what I feel. So all the stocks are showing weakness. So in this situation, we have to do a strategy like this: buy one put, sell deep out of the money, little out of the money put. This is one strategy we can do. And next strategy we'll discuss is, see, market is bearish. You understood? Market is bearish. See, now what we have to do, let's say your assumption is market will fall to 16,800. Your assumption is market will fall to 16,800. So let's say 16,800 market will fall. If you think market will fall to 16,800, you buy 16,800 put. So buy 16,800 put. This is one thing. If you buy, if market doesn't go, you lose money. That's the reason what we'll do. We will sell 16,700 put, 2 lots. Buy 1 lot of put, sell 2 lots of put. Market falls also, you'll make money. Market goes up also, you'll make money. See, if market falls, anyhow, market may fall per day 200, 200, 200, 200, 200. By the time it comes to this 16,800, in this case 16,700, sorry. By the time it comes to 16,700, the premium decay would have happened. You will make good money. By chance market doesn't come to this one, kuch tension nahi hai, guaranteed profit of 2,000 is assured. See, you are going for a hunting, but even though you are not getting a big hunt, still you are getting some small hunting. You are successful in hunting some small money. So you are going to make big money, but nothing to, even if you didn't get anything in hunting, still you are getting a guaranteed income of 2,000 in this one, even if market goes up. So next question. So next, some people will have question. Sir, what if market suddenly comes down below this one? Which tension nahi hai. Sabhi ko we have a medicine. So what if market comes below 16,558? How can you escape? Is there any way to escape the unlimited loss? Yes, we have a way to escape the unlimited loss. 16,558 is a break even. So what I can do is 16,550 is a break, 558 is a break even. I'll just go inside the house little bit. So I'll just go 42 points inside this umbrella. 42 points inside the umbrella. I will go little bit inside the umbrella, which is that strike price nearest petrol bunk to us. 16,600, right? 16,600 put buy karo. Carefully observe what I am doing. See, I'm just asking you one question. See, which is the nearest nearest petrol bunk once you go inside the umbrella? Once you go inside the umbrella, which is the nearest petrol bunk, once you go inside the umbrella, not outside the umbrella, 16,600. Just you buy that put option by chance if market started falling heavily. So like this, we can escape the unlimited loss. Can you see is there any unlimited loss now? Ratio. This strategy is known as put ratio spread. Put ratio spread. So this is a way we can escape the loss. So I just bought one more put option. If you buy one more put option, there is no question of unlimited loss. It's a limited loss strategy, bada profit strategy. See, for every hedging we do, we have a firefighting. Since there is a time constraint, I don't teach firefighting for any one of you. Reason is whatever the course we do, it's limited duration and it has its own limitations. That's the reason we have decided to teach you most of the things in master level hedging training.